channel. So welcome back to part 2 of my making a rainbow party tulle dress for myself. Now my small child is floating around in here too, so she will offer her opinion and her insights. Whether I listen to them or not will be interesting, but so let's get to it. Speak of the devil, here she comes again. Hello, darling.
Hello, my darling.
You here to help me with my dress?
Oh no, I'm playing the ants again.
Alright, you gonna go wash your hands?
Jump, 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 jump,
That's a beautiful colour that you made, by the way.
jump, jump. Guys.
Come back when you're done.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna do 2 layers of the neon ropey tulle, and then I think I'm gonna do at least another layer of, it needs another layer of rainbow pastel underneath that again. Once we get to that, then I will reassess. Oh my god. It's gonna take us a while to gather this. Let's go! Gathering thing.
I got my...
zipper in it. I probably could just move the zipper and bring that section in a couple of centimeters, and that would fix it, because it definitely goes over my head quite easily. So that's possibly what I might do. You know, after all that effort, adding a zip, it looks nice with the zip, but it's kind of just a decoration. I don't really need it. Time to put it on and see how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead.